Hi, you lovely people. Okay, so if you are wondering as to why someone is giving you mixed signals, okay, like one moment they are acting all romantic and flirting with you, and the next moment they are just ghosting upon you, okay, so you're just getting frustrated and asking and wondering what exactly is this person wanting. Okay, so there is a very heavy energy coming from their past relationship, okay, लाइक इन्होंने अपने पास्ट रिलेशनशिप में बहुत कुछ दिया, ठीक है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व थे इमोशनली, ओके, बट दे डिड नॉट रिसीव द सेम एफर्ट्स फ्रॉम द अदर पार्टी, ओके, लाइक दिस पर्सन absolutely lost themselves while they were in relationship with this particular person in their past, okay, like their core values, their core mindset about the relationship, about the idea of love is completely shaken, okay. Like if this person has given 80% or 90% in that particular relationship, they didn't even receive 2 or 3% of the efforts, okay, so it was that bad, it was that bad. Now what is the situation over here is that they are definitely interested in you, okay, they are physically attracted to you, but they are keeping their guard up, okay, because they just don't want to face the similar kind of hurt the way they faced in their past, okay. So basically what is happening is the moment they feel कि वो अपने past के mistakes या past की चीज़ें repeat कर रहे हैं आपके साथ, okay, that is the time they just withdraw from this particular situation, okay, they just isolate themselves because they are just trying to protect themselves from getting hurt. But now what this person is not understanding is that this person needs healing, okay. Without healing, if this person jumps into another situation, it's definitely going to be hurting two people involved, okay. So you are getting hurt over here, okay, you are not able to draw the boundaries, this person is avoiding conversations, this person is not dealing, they are running away because they are hurt from all the past situations, okay. But your spirit guides want you to understand that if this connection is not serving you, अगर इस connection से आपके energies और ज़्यादा low हो रहे या negative हो रहे, तो इस connection से आपको move on करने की ज़रूरत है, ठीक है. So take as it resonates with you, okay, and decide wisely and choose yourself, okay. I'll be seeing you all next time. Bye.